A lipoma is a benign, non-cancerous, overgrowth of fatty tissues that grow on your neck, shoulders, abdomen, arms, thighs, or back. Lipomas are painless, harmless, and very slow-growing. Between the skin and the muscle, they can feel spongy and will move freely under your skin. Although lipomas are harmless, they are able to restrict your variety of movement and can adjust your appearance. Fortunately, you may try herbal remedies to decrease your lipomas. Natural oils such as neem and flaxseed make an excellent base for ointments. Experiment with different combinations of herbs and oils. 1. Neem oil is an astringent that helps protect your skin. It is commonly used in Ayurvedic, ancient Indian, medicine to treat lipomas. 2. Flaxseed oil has high levels of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. Omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids help to reduce inflammation. Be sure to buy flaxseed oil certified to be free of heavy metals, such as lead and mercury. 3. Sage oil. People have been using the herb for a long time to treat pain, inflammation, and viral and bacterial infections. Several studies confirm that different active components of sage, especially carnosic acid, can inhibit the growth of fatty tissue. 4. Ginger oil. Ginger essential oil is an excellent supplement for raw ginger root. Studies have shown that a single drop of ginger oil retains all the natural therapeutic compounds of ginger. Ginger oil is a quick remedy for dissolving fat deposits such as lipomas. 5. Frankincense oil. Comes from the frankincense resin through steam distillation. Frankincense resin is derived from Boswellia sacra trees. Frankincense oil is one of the most researched aromatic oils. You can dilute frankincense oil with carrier oil to get rid of lipomas naturally. 6. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil works well in treating skin disorders. It is rich in antioxidants, anti-inflammatory, and analgesic compounds. All these therapeutic qualities may shrink lipomas tumors naturally.